Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an unfiltered security analysis of 1Password, investigating whether this premium lockbox remains the absolute gold standard for credential management, or if recent price hikes and strict ecosystem limitations make it a frustratingly expensive luxury. Standing far above basic browser autofill systems, 1Password enforces an ironclad zero-knowledge infrastructure that completely isolates your private data vault using a unique secret key combined with AES 256 military-grade encryption keys generated entirely on your own local device. The absolute functional triumph of this updated platform is its Watchtower diagnostic engine, which continuously scans the dark web for exposed security breaches, alerts you to weak repeating passwords, and flags which of your saved online accounts now support modern passwordless passkey authentication. This is paired with an incredible built-in travel mode that lets you temporarily wipe sensitive digital vaults from your phone before crossing international border checkpoints, instantly restoring them from their encrypted cloud servers the second you arrive safely at your final destination. However, looking past this polished cross-platform user interface exposes rigid financial barriers and deep structural trade-offs that are drawing severe community backlash across open-source software forums. The single most prominent drawback is the absolute lack of any permanent free service tier beyond a brief 14-day testing window, meaning budget-conscious creators must commit to an ongoing annual subscription fee that has steadily increased over the past year. Furthermore, unlike transparency-focused rivals like Bitwarden, 1Password operates on a strictly proprietary, closed-source software codebase that prevents public auditing, while completely lacking a native emergency access legacy plan to transfer vault credentials to family organizers if you are suddenly incapacitated. Ultimately, if you demand a beautifully designed, legally bulletproof asset factory to protect your digital identity across mobile and desktop devices, the seamless passkey synchronization provides an undeniable workflow advantage. Balance this premium tool against your personal software budget and leverage this encrypted platform to lock down your digital life today. Subscribe the channel for more videos.